How are you all?
Good.
Good. Okay. Okay. Hey, congrats for those who passed. Congrats who almost made it. And let's move on. Okay. Shall we go ahead?
Okay.
Good job, guys. But you have put in a lot of effort, work, which I'm proud of.
Okay.
How was your star?
It was good.
It
Today was really easy.
It was really easy.
Today was the math one.
Yeah.
Oh, today was the math one?
Yeah. Today was.
Yeah, but it wasn't any of the topics that you taught us.
No, ma. Grade 5 star would not be any of the topic that I taught you, ma.
Like they both are like have similar topics. I thought they would be like the same.
The bottom, ma?
Kind of.
Which one?
Like never mind.
Okay. Okay. So all of you completed your star, huh?
Yeah.
One
There's
second,
one more.
guys. Somebody is coming in. I just want to.
There's one more. Thursday.
1 second, guys. I have somebody at the door. Sorry, guys. Let's go ahead. Kiara is coming in. Okay. Okay. Now, okay. Somebody's joining again. Okay. Let's move on this. But sincerely, good job on all the efforts. Okay. Very good job. Okay. We worked through the year and it was good to see most of your scores. Okay. Just by getting an 80 doesn't mean anything. Okay. The amount of effort you put in, I really respect it. Okay. Some of you really worked. Let's go ahead and do. What was the last page we did in the book? Let me quickly check, guys.
I think it was 32.
But I wanted to regroup this class. Did your mom and dad talk to you about it? For some of you, have pinged your moms and dads about regrouping the class. So I don't know. Some of you,
What do you like mean by regrouping the classes?
meaning I've asked some of you to come on Friday, some of you on Tuesday. Some of you remain on Tuesday, I have said. Some of you, can you come on Friday? I have asked. Okay. So based on whatever your parents say, next week you'll join that class. Got it?
Got it.
Got it. Good job. Meaning I'm trying to make it useful for each of you. You got it? That way, we cover what is pertinent to your requirement, each of your requirement. Okay. Okay, let's move on. What did I want to do today? Did you have any questions? Or we'll review some of those. See, percentages, I would like to review some of those. Did you have any questions, Ma, between 25 and 32? 25 and 32 are very important. Whatever homework you have done, it's very important for percentages. Both 6th and 7th will work on 6th. Whether you do 6th grade math next year or 7th grade math next year, you will cover a part of this, 26 to 32. So, did you have any questions on that? No? Let me see. Okay, Saket, did you have any questions?
No.
Neil, did you have any questions?
No.
I
I had 2 questions on
Absolutely, Ma. You
I
can
also
ask.
have like a question.
Would love to hear. Yeah, go ahead.
I have a question on question 136 and 137.
Okay, one minute. I have to share my notes page. How to share my notes page? Mm-hmm. Hey, guys, sorry guys, 1 minute. I have somebody again at the door today. Oh, class. Oh, I didn't know. Okay, let's go ahead, guys. Sorry, Ma. Sarvata, what was the question number? Can you please repeat? I'm sorry.
136 and 137.
136 was the same one as mine. I don't have a question anymore. Actually.
Oh, I see. Okay, guys, I see. 637. Okay, guys. Okay, we'll review all the 3 types of problems. Okay. Again and again, you'll do this particular topic will repeat in 7th grade as well. Okay. So let's see. That is why doing this book is very useful after the exam. 3 by 8 is 45% of what number? Okay. The only difference between 6th and 7th grade on this topic would be they will give you 12. 12 is 45% of what number will be asked in 6th grade. It's an easy question. Whereas 3 by 8 is 45% of what number is a harder question. So they'll do it in 7th grade. Now let's see this one. 3 by 8 is what percent? Our well-known formula x by 100 equal to part by whole, correct? So 3 by 8 is 45% of what number? So what is x here? You tell me, Akshat. Where is
X is 45.
x is 45? Good job. Part by whole, which is part, which is whole?
Part is 3 by 8.
Yes, 3 by 8 is 45% means that's the part. Divide by the whole. Got it, guys?
Mm-hmm.
Now, how do you do it? How do you find the whole? Who can tell me? First, let's simplify our fractions. 9 by 20 equal to 3 by 8 by whole. So what happens?
Well, I would change the fraction to a decimal.
You want to change it to a decimal. Saket, how would you do this?
I would so I don't do this strategy, so I don't really know anything about this one.
Uh-huh.
So I don't so basically 9 by 20. 1 second.
Why don't you do it on the board so that I know?
Okay. So I don't really know how to do this one. I think you have to do 9 9 by
Go ahead.
I don't really know how you do this one.
Okay. Sarvata, how will you do this? Or each of you do and tell me the answer. Then I'll know. Please ping me with the answers. And if you don't know, I'll do this. See, 3 by 8 divided by whole is fraction division. Go ahead. Who did what? Let me see. I've given you how to do. Okay, you need me to solve. No problem, mom. Guys, I really need each of your input.
I'm still solving.
No problem. Okay. How about the others?
Same here.
Oh, wow. Okay. Okay, guys, let me solve. I'm clearly seeing. Okay. Akshat, did you solve?
Yeah, I'm about to finish.
Mhm. See, one more important strategy that you will introduce in be introduced in 7th grade is cross products. Go ahead. I don't want to go there. Let's try using your 6th grade process.
I got a repeating number. How do I like?
Got a repeating number. Okay. Okay, let's see. 3 by 8 is 45%, 9 by 20 we have. Now, what do I do? This is a fraction. It's so hard a fraction, right? So what do I do with this number? I prefer not to convert it to decimals, whatsoever. Okay. So 9 by 20 will be equal to 3 by 8 divided by whole. 3 by 8 divide by whole. So what does it mean? 3 by 8 times 1 by whole. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. I can write 3 by 8 times 1 by whole. Now I need my whole, but I don't want this. How to avoid this in an equation? Can I multiply by 8 by 3 on both sides? Can I multiply by 8 by 3 on both sides? You see the 3 by 8 can be avoided. I can divide by 8, multiply by 8 by 3, correct? So what happens now? You can cancel the numerator denominator, right? And then 2 4s are 8, 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So 6 by 5 equal to 1 by whole. So what is the whole? What is the whole? Hmm?
1/1.
Good job. What was that, Saket?
1/1.
1 by whole is 6 by 5. Then what?
5 divided by 6.
What am I?
Wouldn't you do 5 divided by 6?
Correct. So whole is?
I'm just doing the math. It's a repeating number.
It is a repeating number, but you can call it the fraction itself, right? What is the fraction?
0.83.
Whole is 5 by 6 or what? Tell me 0.83.
83.
Yep, 83. What is repeating?
3.
Good job. That's it.
I think that's the answer I got. Yeah.
That is right. So now let's
I
find
think
it.
I think I flipped my answer and then I forgot to, and then I didn't do the rest of it.
I see. How about this? Let me try giving you the same type. Okay. 9 by 5 is 15% of what number?
Your voice is kind of echoing.
I see it, Ma. I don't know why. See, now it is not. 9 by 5 is 15% of what number? Are you able to hear now, Varnika?
Yeah, that's better.
Okay. Go ahead. Good job, Akshat. Kiara, good job, ma. Arhan, good job. Arhan, were you able to do all of the homework?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, let's see. Correct. Akshat, correct. Sarvata, did you get? Kiara, correct. Arhan, correct. Akshat, correct. Sarvata, is it 1 by 12 or 12? Did you check?
It's 12.
Ah. Okay, let me see, guys. Thank you. Okay, let's move on. I will do it on the board. Neil, did you understand, Neil? Saket, I would really like to follow the process, Saket. You know why? You will not make mistakes, Saket. Is this part or whole, Saket? You're just going to plug in values. See, 1 by 2 equal to, Saket, for you, I'm explaining the process. 1 by 2 equal to 50 by 100. You all agree, right? These are equivalent fractions, right? So what I'm doing, I'm converting this to a percentage. So x by 100 equal to part by whole. That's all. This is just something that I know I observed. X by 100 equal to part by whole. Are you there with me, Saket?
Yeah.
Now, which is percentage? 15 will be substituted for x. 15 by 100 equal to part by whole. Part by whole is?
Like 9 by 5.
9 by 5 is the part. Meaning just put it upside. It's in the numerator. It's okay. You don't know the whole, right? So what do we do to find it? This is division of fractions. Division of fractions, you should be very thorough for CBE. Okay, 9 by 5 divide by W means 9 by 5 divide by W. You cannot divide fractions, right? So you do 9 by 5 times 1 by W. If you do that, 15 by 100, please simplify. 3 by 20. Now 3 by 20 equal to 9 by 5 times 1 by W. But you don't want this 9 by 5 here, right? So multiply by 5 by 9 on both sides. What happened? Now 1 by W equal to 15 by 180. Again you simplify. 1 by 12. Do you get it? So 1 by W equal to 1 by 12. So what is W? W is 12.
Auntie, I can't see the bottom of your board.
You can't see the bottom of my board. Good, good. Okay. Wait. I'll deal with it. Let's do one more problem. Okay, now you should be able to see the full board. Let's see. How about let me write out the problem. What is 30% less than 5 by 8? 30% less means what I am asking. Who can explain this problem better? Go ahead.
Do I do it?
Yeah, please. Yes. Oh, I did not tell your name. Okay, go ahead, Akshat.
Okay, so since it's 30% less than and 5 by 8 is equal, like 5 by 8 is equal to 100, it's going to be 100 minus 30, so it's going to be 70%.
70% of what I'm asking.
Oh, 5 by 8.
Good job. So if I'm asking 30% less than 5 by 8 means 5 by 8 is your 100%. So I'm asking for 70% of 5 by 8. Arhan, I think that is correct. Correct, Sarvata. Neil, correct. Akshat, is that right? You're just making a silly mistake there. I know what silly mistake you're making. Can you rewrite the question? Redo the question and see.
Okay, sure.
Arhan correct, Neil correct, Sarvata correct. Neil, did you get my message?
In chat.
Yeah, I really wanted to know.
Can I go use the restroom?
Just reply in chat, Amma, Neil. Yes. Saket.
It's not fully loaded yet.
Oh, okay. I know that Saket, you might find your decimals easier, but do you know how to send the fraction equivalent of that? Akshat, something is wrong. I'm going to work with you. Okay, there is some mistake again. Saket,
Yeah.
did you have the fraction with you? Do you have the fraction with you?
I'm kind of confused on that part.
How did you do? Can you do it on the board for me? See, what I'm seeing with you is, yeah, a lot of decimals you're good with. Okay, problem is definitely fractions. You should be very thorough when we go for the exam. Go ahead.
So
Yeah,
70,
that's incorrect, Ma. I'll work with you. Saket, I want you to work on the board.
70% as a fraction.
Okay. It is
Fraction equals 0.7. Wait, as a decimal equals 0.7. So, and then I did, so to find out like 5/8, I did what is 0.125 times 5, which I got 0.625.
what is this 0.125?
That's the value of 1/8. So I did that times 5 to find the value of 5/8.
Okay, 0.625, and after that? No,
Got
no,
it.
no. Okay, how do you determine the fraction equivalent of this? Yeah, I get it. Meaning your answer may be right, decimal. Okay, but how do you determine the fraction? 70% of 5 by 8, right, Saket? So it is part by whole equal to x by 100. X is 70. What is the part? What is the whole? Tell me. Akshat, correct.
The
How
part
did you get it now, Akshat?
I forgot to simplify my
No, simplification was not the problem in that.
Oh, then I don't know what I made a mistake on.
Now you got it. It was not just simplification. I'll tell you. First you said 7 by 20, then you said 7 by 40.
Yeah.
Then now you corrected it. So it was not just simplification. Okay. Now, Saket, are you following here? Which is part, which is whole, Saket?
part is 5 by 8.
Part is 5 by 8. So you understand it very well. 5 by 8. Right? So I will write that 5 by 8 divided by W means what? 5 by 8 times 1 by W. When you change it to multiplication, you have to find the reciprocal of this, right? That will be equal to 70 by 100, which is 7 by 10. Now multiply by 8 by 5 on both sides. If you multiply by 8 by 5 on both sides, these two will become 1. So 1 by W will be equal to 56 by 50. Right? So that would be 56 by 50. Yeah, 7 8s are 56. Seems to be. So whole is what? Let me see. That's not working. Something feels wrong to me. Let's see. So this will be what? This will be 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 25, 28 by 25. How did you guys get 7 by 16? Did you work for this one? Akshat.
Yeah, I think so.
Sarvata, did you send the answer for this one?
Wait, so
Yes.
can I show what I did this third time?
Yes, absolutely, ma. But 1 second, Akshat, 1 second. I am a little lost here. Why? Part by whole equal to 70 by 100. So you're wanting to find, oh, What is, yeah, what is 70%? Oh, what is, oh, we are wanting to find out 70%. Oh my gosh. Okay. I know what is the mistake. Kiara, I know what is the mistake you made, Kiara. Here, Saket, what did we substitute it as whole is a problem. So here, when you think about it, part by whole equal to x by 100. The question asked was, find what is 70%. So what are we going to find, Saket?
Just to find out like a 70%.
The part or the whole?
Oh, just to find the part. I mean the whole.
The part, what
Yeah.
is 70%?
Oh, the part, my bad.
The whole is 5 by 8. So the denominator is 5 by 8 will be equal to 7 by 10. Now what happens? P divided by 5 by 8 becomes P times 8 by 5. So P times 8 by 5 equal to 7 by 10. But I don't want the 8 by 5 there. So multiply by 5 by 8 on both sides. So P will be equal to 35 by 80 or 7 by 16. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's see this one. D has 50% more pennies than T. What does it mean? How can I write this? D has 50% more pennies than T. Means whatever T has is 100% means D has how much? Yes, Akshan, go ahead.
It's 150%.
Yes, he has 150 by 100 of whatever T has. Good job. Now, when they put all the pennies together, when they put all their pennies together, what percent of the pennies in the jar or Trevor's in the jar is T's? Shall I try this one, guys?
Yeah, I don't know how to do it.
Yeah, I feel like I'll try. So now let's do this. T is equal to pennies that T had.
Can the percentage be a fraction?
Yeah, you can convert the fraction to a percentage, right, Manil?
But,
got it?
but what if it's like in thirds or sixths?
You can have anything, but then you have to convert finally to percentage. So this will be 15 by 10 means 3 by 2T. 150 by 100, when you simplify, it's 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 times T. Now, when they put all the pennies together, all of the pennies together became 3 by 2T plus T, correct?
Yeah.
Now, what percentage of the pennies in the jar is T? Okay, so basically T is what percentage, okay? When they put it together, right? What percentage of the pennies in the jar? So what are they wanting? Number of pennies T had divided by the total number of pennies. This is what they are asking. This tells you the percentage of the pennies T had. When it comes to percentage, right? How do you calculate the percentage? Let's say there are 5 people in class. There are 5 people in class. 2 of them are 2 of them are boys. So what is the fraction of boys? 2 divided by 5, correct? 2 divided by 5. What is the percentage of boys means you will convert this fraction to percentage, correct guys? So basically fraction is the percentage. If you convert to fraction, you can convert it to percentages. Now here what are they asking? They're asking for the percentage. Let me not calculate the percentage now. What fraction of the pennies in the jar is T's? So this is the part, this is the whole. Total number of pennies is the whole. Part is what he has. What is the part he has? T is the part he has. Divided by the whole number of pennies. 3 by 2 plus 1t. 3 by 2t plus 1t. What is 3 by 2 plus 1? 3 by 2 plus 1 is a fraction. That will be 5 by 2t. 5 by 2t. So now how will you divide this? T. How will you divide this? T divide by 5 by 2t, correct? How will you divide this? It is just like you cannot divide fractions, right? So t multiplied by 2 by 5t. So you get the answer as 2 by 5, which is 0.4 or 40 by 100. Got it, guys? It is 40%. Okay, let's try a simpler problem. These are hard ones, guys, for sure. I'm just wondering if I can make a step low. Let me see. Okay, how about this? Let's try this. R is 20% shorter than D. By what percent is D taller than R? See, you're just converting. See, let me tell you. You're just converting. Let's say there are 10 students in class. 10 students in class. 5 students, let's say 6 students are girls. How do I find out their fraction? 6 by 10 girls. 6 out of 10 parts are girls. Or I will say 4 by 10 are boys. What percentage are boys? The total number of students is always in the denominator. But whatever percent you need, right, that number will be in the numerator. So like that, solve for this one. Let me see. R is 20% shorter means what? If I have D's height as D, 20% shorter means what? 8 by 10 D. 8 by 10 is 4 by 5 D is R. They're asking by what percent is D taller than R? So what you have to find out is D by R. By what percentage is D taller than R? R is your base. R is your base. You have to find out how much D is taller. So you put D by 4 by 5D. So that gets you to 1 divided by 4 by 5 or 5 by 4 is your answer. If you have 5 by 4, it is 0.125, which is 12.5%. Did you get it? It's a little difficult, right?
I'm kind of confused.
It's a little difficult. Let me ramp it down.
I understood it. Well, what I did is I like just said that D would be 100, and since R is 20% shorter than D, that means R must be 80. And then I used the part and whole method to find.
5 by 4 is 1.25, right?
Yes.
So Sarvata, go ahead and explain your way. Go ahead.
So what I did is I just like said that D would be 100, and since R is 20% shorter than D,
Good
that
idea. I really like that. Good job. Go ahead.
that means R would be 80.
Good job.
And then I used the part and whole method to figure out the percent.
By what percent? So x by 100 will be equal to part by whole, right?
Yes.
So whole is 100 you put, 80 you put, is it?
Well, I put the 100 on top and then I put the 80 on bottom because it's asking what
Makes
percent.
sense. Because, very nice. 100 by 80 will be equal to x by 100. You have found out x by what? X by 100. So you found out 10 by 8 is 5 by 4. So 500 by 4, right? 500 by 4 is 125. Correct. Same here. 125, you get it. Okay. 125 is your percent value. So asking by what percentage is D taller than R means 25%.
Yeah.
Good job. Neil, it's not 12.5. 5 by 4 is 1.25, ma. 1.25 is your decimal
Oh.
value.
Yeah, that must have been a typo or.
Okay. Let me see. This is a little difficult, right? Let me drill down. See, 7th grade will be very much lesser. It won't be this hard. How about this? What is 25% more than 72? What is 25% more than 72? You try that. So what am I asking? Basically, you have to find what? But the page number 34, 35, I'm not going to do. Okay, I'm going to deal with something else. We need a little step up. You know, this one, you're all good. Good job. Let me see if I can search for more percentage problems. How about this? Let's try this one. See, this will be the level actually. Let's see this one. Yes, all of you got it right, but I didn't get answers. Only 3 answers I got. Should I pick out? What is 25% more than 72? I'm waiting for 4 people to answer mainly. Whoever answered got it. Kiara, just to redo ma. Kiara, some substitution is incorrect. Neel, Arhan, Akshat got it. Sarvata got it. Okay, explain Akshat. Come on.
So 25% more than 72 is equal to 125%.
Correct.
So I converted that to 5 by 4.
Correct.
I did 5 by 4 times 72.
Uh-huh.
And then I got the answer and simplified it.
Good job. Can we go ahead?
Yes.
Okay, Kiara, just to make sure, Kiara and Varnika, just to make sure you know, you have to calculate 125% of 72, correct? So now part by whole. Saket, this is what I would do, Saket. Part by whole equal to x by 100. 125% means 125 by 100. Which is part, which is whole, Saket? Can you pick?
I think the part is 72.
Part is 125% of 72. Whatever follows the off keyword is whole.
Oh. So
Yeah.
then the whole is 72.
So you need to find the part. 125% is a part. Even if it is bigger than 100%, it is the part. You got it? Or think of a line like this. This is 100%. Okay. All the percentages are written on my right side. 25% is here. Okay. 100% is here. Now, 25%, we are finding 125%. Okay. 125%. 125% of 72. 72 is our 100. So basically, we know this is the whole. This is the whole. This is the percent value. Okay. So like that, if you compare, we don't know this. So we are trying to find out the part. Now this is 5 by 4. So what happens? 5 by 4 equal to P by 72. Multiply by 72 on both sides. So your answer is 5 by 4 times 72. 18 times 5, 90 is your answer. Make sense?
I actually I got that answer, but I just have time to type it.
I see my mistake.
Good. Oh my God, I know what is going on, guys. Okay, a snowboard that costs 99 is on sale at 35% off. A snowboard costs $99. It is at 35% off. What is its price? Okay, maybe we learn one new concept, okay? This new concept is learned in 7th grade, okay? So we'll just learn that new concept alone. This was a review, okay? So we learn just that new concept. It's extra for 7th. Let's see. Go ahead. Are you getting it? Neil, can you tell me how you did it?
I did 35% of 99, so I got 34.65. So then I did that.
How did you get that? Can you tell me, Neil?
I did 99 divided by 35. I did 35% of 99.
How did you get it?
I did. Okay, so I did 99 as a part and 35 as a whole. 35 as
Can you work it out on the board?
I can't annotate.
Then shout out. I will write on the board. Okay, guys, one important thing for everybody. Okay. If you want to use calculators, this class is not for you, for anybody. Okay. This is a very common thing that I'm telling you. If you want to use calculators, no, you cannot come to this class. Go ahead, Neil. You explain.
So I did 35 over 100 and I did
Wait, 35?
35 over 100. And then I did 99 over the whole.
Oh, sorry. 99 over the 99 over the whole. Go ahead.
So then I did 100 by 5 and 35 by 5. So I got 7 over 20.
7 over 20.
So then I did what is it? Um,
If you come up with correct answers, I would really want you to explain. Mm-hmm.
so then I did
Arvada got it correct. Go ahead.
99 over 1, and then I did,
Where is 99 over 1?
wait, actually,
Mm.
no, I did, no, wait a minute.
I'm a little lost here, guys. Okay. Then how did you get the answer, Neil? I'll wait. That does not matter. But if you get the answer, I want you to be able to explain. Go ahead.
So,
Arhan, did you get it?
Yeah.
Where is the answer? Did you send?
Oh. Now I did.
Now you did. Good job. That's right.
so 99 is, a whole. Actually, I flipped it back, so then, it was, I did how 100 turned into 99, and, oh, wait.
Mm. Okay, let me go ahead and explain. Okay, I know what has happened. Let me go ahead. Okay, so 35% off means 35% of 99. I need to calculate first. Part by whole equal to x by 100. 35 by 100 is my percentage. 99 is the whole. Here. So part by 99 equal to 35 by 100. When I simplify, it becomes 7 by 20. Part by 99 equal to 7 by 20. So now what do? You need to multiply by 99 on both sides to get the P, right? Part will be equal to 7 times 99 by 20. So that will be 7 nines are 63, 6, 7 nines are 63, 63 plus 6 is 690. I am doing it by hand. I want everybody to do it by hand. No calculators. 3, 93, 4. So 4 is 80. You have 130. If you have 130, 6 are 125. 34.65 is the discount. If that is the discount from 99, I'll have to subtract 34.65, which ends up, this is a 935. So this would be 64.35. Did you get it, guys? Okay, let's move on. Let's do another.
Miss Priya, could I go to the bathroom?
Yeah, ma. Okay, how about this, guys? So this is not a hard one, but a little bit higher. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I can't do this. 1 second. Okay, 42% of the students in a school wanted pizza. Let me write it down. 42% of students in a school wanted pizza. Okay, there are 289 students. There are 289 students in the school. Saket, are you getting used to the new way?
Yeah, kind of.
Okay, in the school. How many students want the pizza? Mm-hmm.
Is my answer correct?
That seems correct. Akshat, that seems correct. Arhan and Neil, did you get it?
I'm still solving.
Okay.
Oh, I just came back.
Okay. Varnika, one sanity check, ma. Can it be a decimal answer? You need to do it manually, guys, all of you. Take your time, do it manually. It's okay. If it takes time, doesn't matter.
Wait, on difficult decimal, do we round it?
It's okay. I just need the integer answer. As long as you understand the concept, I'm fine.
So do we
Here
round it?
I'll wait, ma, no problem. What am I, you round, don't round, anything is okay. Integer answer I need. Round it and say it in integers. That's fine. See, first of all, if number of students is asked, Saket, will it be a decimal answer? Can you split the student into half? Yeah, it has to be a
Whole
full
number.
answer. Arhan, where is your answer, ma? So long? Why is it taking so long? You just plug in values into this, that's all. Go ahead. Neil, that's correct. Arhan, that's correct. Kiara, somewhere in rounding, something is incorrect, ma. Saket, correct. So Kiara and Varnika, I'm going to do it. Varnika, did you do?
Yeah.
How did you do? What did you it's just substitution, ma. 42% means X is 42, right? There are 289 students means whole is 289, part you don't know. So multiply by 289 because that letter should alone be on one side. So part 42 by 100 you can simplify, right? 21 by 50 times 289. How to do this? That's a little difficult, right? How to do that? 3. Is it like that? Let's see. Are you getting it like that? 42% of the students wanted pizza. There are, okay, for 289 students, how many students want the pizza? There are 289 is the whole, correct? So you want the part 42%. 42 is 21 by 50. That is correct. What else? You can't simplify that as well. So how did you guys do? Sarvata, what did you do? Or Saket, what did you do now?
Who wants to explain?
Go ahead.
So what I did is I did 42 by 100. Oh, you already got that part. So I did 42 times 289.
Correct, ma? Oh, you did that? Did you do this?
Yeah, I did 42 times 289, and then I divided it by 100, and then I rounded it.
Oh, you rounded it. Okay. So you had to round it. It's interesting. Usually they won't make you to round for number of students. So let's see this one. Okay, it's easier to do this than this. Manually, if you want to do, I would definitely do 289 times 42, not 289 times 21 divided by 50 is hard. So I'll do this. Division by 100 is easy. 9 2s are 18, 1 8 2s are 16, 17, 1 2 2s are 4, 5. See, I want to work it out by hand. So I want you to work it out by hand. 9 4s are 36, 3 8 4s are 32, 35, 3 4 2s are 8, 9, 10, 11. So 8, 13, 1 2 1 3 8, right? 1 2 1 3 8 means more than 121 students are wanting, right? Okay, so it's approximately when you round it to the integer value. See, usually they won't give a problem where you need to round the number of students. Saket, I see what you were asking, so it is 121. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. They'll give you better numbers. We'll do one more. Then we'll disperse. Okay. How about this? Okay. How about I want to do a simple problem now. Okay. Should be on a percentage, right? Okay. 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 Let's see this one. We have done discounts, right? Let's see. Do you all know how to calculate sales tax, guys? Do you all know how to calculate sales tax?
No.
Any item which is put up for sale, when somebody buys it, they have to buy a sales tax. It's always a percentage of the original amount. Okay. Now let's see. I am buying a skates. Skates are costing $320. I am buying a pair of skates. Okay, skates are costing $320. Now there's a 10% sales tax. Okay, what is the tax on the shoes in dollars?
Did we answer?
Yeah, ma. Send it in chat.
I accidentally sent a question mark with my answer.
Can you say the question because it's kind of hard to read?
To read a pair of skates is costing $320. There is a 10% sales tax. What is the tax on the shoes in dollars?
Is my answer correct?
Go ahead.
Is my answer correct?
Correct. Good job. Neil, The question is a little different, Neil. Arhan, you can log off. Akshat, you can log off. Saket, you can log off.
Bye.
Bye, Ma. Have a nice week ahead.
Is my answer correct?
Yes, Sarvata, you can log off. Good job.
I still have a question on how to like get the percentage of a fraction.
Percentage of a fraction, Amma. Why? Meaning, on a fraction like 3 by 8.
I'm still like confused.
Okay. Okay. Why don't we do it next week again?
Okay.
Will you just remind me?
Okay.
Next week, you're going to come on the Friday, right?
Yeah.
From next week itself, your mother asked for May 2. I would like you to come from next week.
Okay.
Okay, thanks. But remind me, Sarvata.
Okay.
I'm glad you're bringing it up, yeah. Guys, correct, Ma. Varnika, correct. Kiara, I'll help you. X by 100 equal to part by whole. Neil, I'll help. Neil, did you get it?
I still don't get it.
Okay. X by 100 equal to part by whole, right? What is the percentage, Neil? 10%. Where should 10 be substituted?
10 should be x.
Uh-huh. Then 320 is what?
The whole.
Good job. Kiara, did you get that?
Yeah.
How will you find the part? Multiply by 320 on both sides. 320 by 10 will be equal to P. Make sense?
Yeah.
So that will be P will be equal to 32.
I thought it said like add the tax to the.
Good, Neil. But the question is, what is the tax? I didn't ask you what is the cost price with the tax. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye, guys. See you all next week.